I spent most of my childhood and adolescence in silence. I was introverted, disconnected, and alone. I couldn't form real friendships. I didn't know how. Out of desperation, I turned to self-help books like How to Win Friends and Influence People. I watched hours of content about body language, eye contact, smiling. I copied it all, but nothing worked. People still didn't respond to me. I didn't know why until I started studying psychology and human behavior. And what I discovered shocked me. Everything society told me about social skills was superficial, polished, shallow, fake. It wasn't about eye contact. It wasn't about repeating someone's name or nodding at the right moment. None of that builds connection. The truth is, people don't respond to words. They respond to energy. And energy comes from within. I realized charisma, true charisma, comes from three invisible forces: presence, warmth, and power. Miss one and people pull away. Master all three and people become addicted to your presence. Let's start with presence. Presence is about being fully here, now, not distracted, not rehearsing your next line. When someone speaks, most people don't actually listen. They wait for their turn to talk. But when you stop thinking about your response and truly absorb what they say, you create magic. Few people experience that kind of attention, so when they do, they remember you. Presence is also about being comfortable in your own skin. If you're anxious, hiding, performing, others can feel it. But when you're relaxed, at ease, spontaneous, others begin to mirror you. Comfort is contagious. Real presence doesn't come from controlling your body language. It comes from letting go, from trusting yourself, from knowing that you belong.
Now let's talk about warmth. Warmth is not fake niceness. It's not pleasing others just to be liked. That's manipulation, and people sense it. Real warmth starts with intention. When you talk to someone, genuinely care, not just about what they're saying, but about them. Look for something to admire, even if you don't agree, even if you don't fully connect. When you feel appreciation inside, they'll feel it too, even if you never say it aloud. Remember, 93% of communication is nonverbal. It's tone, eyes, posture, energy. So if you're judging someone on the inside, they'll feel it, no matter how polite you appear on the outside. But if you feel genuinely interested, that emotion will transfer. People don't always remember what you said, but they always remember how you made them feel. Warmth also means giving value without demanding attention. Share knowledge. Help someone without chasing recognition. Give without needing to control the outcome. That's the kind of kindness people remember. And finally, power, the invisible backbone of charisma. Without power, warmth feels weak. Without power, presence lacks depth. Power comes from inner certainty, self-respect, boundaries. It's being able to say no without guilt, to stand your ground even when others push back. Power is quiet, but it's undeniable. People feel it. And it shows in your body language. When you feel strong inside, you move differently. You take up space. You speak slower. You don't seek approval. You project it. And if you don't feel that yet, start acting like it. Sit with confidence. Move with purpose. Let your posture carry the version of you you're trying to become. Your mind will follow your body's lead. Here's the truth no one told me. Charisma isn't something you memorize. It's not a set of tricks. It's a way of being. When you combine presence, warmth, and power, you don't chase people. They're drawn to you.
You don't force conversations. People want to talk to you because you radiate what they secretly crave: connection, confidence, safety. So if you've ever felt invisible, overlooked, or unwanted, know this: the answer isn't in fake smiles or small talk. The answer is becoming someone others feel alive around. That's real charisma, and it lives in you.